And while those hospitalizations are decreasing, they do remain high. And we are now almost 2 years into this pandemic.
Many healthcare workers are simply drained. Care and kindness are what one Maine nurse is pleading for. News Center Maine's Hannah Yeshivi explains this call for support.
Pure exhaustion. For Maine nurse practitioner Emily O'Connell, treating COVID patients and wearing these layers of protection has become the norm. And she's tired.
You stick your head out and there's not many folks around to help because we're all so busy.
Busy and burnt out.
I really tried to help out my colleagues who are struggling, but it's hard when I see nurses in the hallway or respiratory therapists who are running around. And it's hard to support folks who are burnt themselves.
A dire situation the healthcare industry is facing, says the president of the Maine Medical Association.
Everything has changed with COVID. People are really stretched out. The system is really thin. Wait times are really long.
Dr. Jeff Barkin is a psychiatrist and says it's scary what doctors and nurses are going through.
40% of nurses are thinking about leaving nursing, and 1 in 5, 20% of physicians are thinking about leaving the profession. That's terrifying if you or somebody you know can get sick, which is all of us. So we all need to do our part of supporting our healthcare workforce.
Emily and many in her shoes are pleading for help.
What does a healthcare worker need? It's hand lotion, it's comfortable shoes and socks for their long shifts, it's healthy food.
Just recently, the Portland Regional Chamber of Commerce announced the delivery of healthy meals to Maine Medical Center and Northern Light Mercy as a token of appreciation. Here's the Chamber's CEO.
Part of our thought process was we want to help take care of them. We want to provide them with healthy meals. We want to make sure they're taking care of themselves.
Physical health of counseling services, massages, acupuncture, activities in the community that help just to get our own selves out, to get time of just relaxation.
Or ways that inspire unity.
Healthcare workers are people too. And if you know somebody who's a healthcare worker, tune into what their specific needs are. If they have kids and you're friends, maybe you could help out with the kids and take care of them for an afternoon.
Acts of kindness that could boost them to stay effective and healthy. Hannah Yeshivi, News Center, Maine.
And if you'd like to help healthcare workers with any sort of pick-me-up, you can call the hospitals directly and ask to speak with a communications specialist. The Portland Chamber of Commerce is also taking calls to coordinate donations of any kind.